Hey everyone, Codex here. So today what we're gonna do is take a look at EGLD and we'll be discussing the week momentum that we are having as well as what we are expecting for the next few weeks. So if you guys like the content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and of course make sure to join our Telegram channel. Now, although EGLD has gone up a bit this week, what has been concerning is that the move wasn't that exciting. I mean, the past 7 days were amazing as we've seen a number of altcoins surge from their bottom, and some are even up over 100% in the last 30 days. We've also seen Ethereum go up over 40% in the last 7 days amid the good news. Matic went up massively lately, and even AVAX, Solana and NEAR went up over 35% in the last week. However, as I said, EGLD has really been struggling despite the upside move, and it hasn't been doing much if you are being honest with each other, and that's why we'll be taking a look at it today. Now, if we open up the Phoenix Ascending indicator to discuss our momentum, we can see that the blue LSMA and red RSI are struggling to stay above the mid yellow line on the 2 days time frame, which basically means that the momentum is very weak. Yes, we've been going up, yes, things have improved from 2 or 3 weeks ago, but we are still suffering, and until these two lines, until the blue LSMA and red RSI start rallying to the upside to trigger a bullish momentum and a clear uptrend, things won't be exciting at all. Just let me explain what I mean by this. Matic, for example, is having one of the best runs in the last 7 days, and it's already up over 200% in the last 30 days. And if you look at it, if you look at what the Phoenix Ascending indicator is showing, we can, on the same time frame of course, we can see that the blue LSMA and red RSI are rising, and they are just going higher every single day. The upward pressure for Matic got triggered in here around 50 cents, and since then it has went parabolic, and as long as these two lines are going up, the price will just keep rising, the price will just keep following it. With EGLD, unfortunately, we don't have this luxury. Our lines are barely above 50 and they are somewhat moving sideways, they aren't even going up. And this is an indicator that there aren't enough buy orders yet to trigger a rally, to trigger a strong upside move. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy, all I'm saying is that other cryptos that have gone up have already given us signals about a week ago that an upward pressure will most likely begin. However, EGLD hasn't done that yet. Look, as much as I like this project, I think being objective in here is what matters. And if I'm being fully honest, I'll tell you that the trend has been garbage. I've personally said on the Telegram that I do expect some relief rallies in this quarter, aka sometime between July and the end of September, of course. However, EGLD isn't really given those vibes yet, and this is also why I'm not convinced about the price action. Yes, we might see a further expansion up of about 5%, A minor expansion up, A minor move to the upside, but just based on how weak the trend is, I really expect us to drop again to the $50 level before seeing any serious upside move. The other thing we must take a look at is our resistance in here, which we discussed about 10 days ago, I think. We say that this level right here is very tough to break above, and we've basically got rejected from it in here last time. And in my opinion, this time won't be different. Like, just based on the chart, it doesn't look like this time will be any different. So as long as you are below the 62 to 67 USD level, things will mainly remain tough for Elrond. When it comes to the moving averages or the bull market support band, we are also still a bit off. I mean, to reach the bull market support band, for example, we would require a 2x from the current price, where some other alts have already reached that target. And this is another sign that Elrond hasn't been doing that well. The issue I'm seeing in here is that despite the upside move we've got, we aren't really outperforming the safest bet when it comes to the alts, which are basically ETH and BNB, and this is somewhat worrying. I might get it how we aren't outperforming ETH, as Ethereum has had some decent news recently, so we could of course use that as an excuse, but going up at the same rate as BNB is very concerning, because look, if the trend shifts again and we crash back down, Elrond's entire move will get wiped out. We know that for sure, where BNB will just lose a bit of its value. And this is why I always want you to think objectively and to question your choices. I know it's tough to look at things from an objective way, especially when you're attached to a coin, but this is what you've got to do. So This was about it, everyone, for today. This is my opinion on EGLD's price action. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.